Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we're here to check out Dreame's latest, wet and dry vacuum cleaner, that is the Dreame H13 Pro. Now this device here comes with a lot of new changes compared to its predecessor, which I actually reviewed about 5 to 6 months back. This time they're introducing like even larger batteries, which basically translates to even longer use time. It's got an even better cleaning system, and it's also charging up even faster than before. And yeah, not to mention, it also has a stronger suction power compared to its predecessor. So without further ado, let's just check out the Dreame H13 Pro and find out like if this device is for you. If you clean your homes on your own, you might want to check out this video to the end to find out if this vacuum cleaner is suitable for you. Let's begin the video right away. Alright, so upon first inspection of the vacuum cleaner itself, the Dreame H13 Pro looks very similar to its predecessor. Naturally, you have the dirty water tank at the front and you have the clean water tank at the back. Now to use it is actually fairly simple. When I just got the box itself, it came with a couple of accessories. It's very straightforward and very direct. Now what you need to do is actually just plug in the dock directly into your power outlet, and then you charge up the vacuum itself by placing the vacuum onto the dock. Next, all you need to do is actually fill in the clean water tank with naturally clean water, and you can also put in like a bit of the detergent that Dreame does provide in the box to make sure that your floors, whenever they are mopped, they actually smell good and they are clean. Alright, so once you've got all this set up, once the battery charges to 100%, this is where you are ready to start to clean your house. Now just so you know, the charging process itself, if it starts from 0%, it's going to take about like 4 hours to charge all the way up to 100%, so you're going to need some time to do that. It's actually already faster than its predecessor, and it also comes with larger batteries, so 4 hours to charge up the Dreame H13 Pro is actually quite reasonable in my opinion. Alright, so once you are ready to start cleaning your house, this is where again the system is actually very clever because it's got a few new tricks. Now the first thing I noticed, when I just removed the vacuum for the first time, I noticed that it was already a bit lighter than before. So although the numbers might say just 100 grams, but it actually does translate into real world actual feel. Now the second thing that I noticed here is that just dragging it on the ground is actually much more easier than before, again because of the new wheels, the new motorized wheels that you see on the sides. Now previously when I was just vacuuming the ground using its predecessor, I noticed that I could feel the weight of the vacuum itself, like even after 15 to 20 minutes, my arms got a bit sore and I was a bit tired. So with this new guy here, the wheels does actually help to reduce all the stress and pressure onto your arms. So you are going to be able to vacuum your house with a lighter mood and you feel happier doing so. Alright, so moving on, what else is new here is the fact that we do have LED lights at the front. Alright, so just imagine this. You might not think of LED lights as something essential, but imagine if you are just vacuuming your house in the evening, late evening, or maybe even at night, where sometimes the space just isn't bright enough. You might not be able to see what's on the ground. So with the new LED lights at the front, it's definitely a game changer because you can actually see what's on the ground and you can just vacuum your spaces, even under your sofa with full confidence. Just imagine having your cars without any headlamps, but now it does come with headlamps. So it's just going to make the entire process a bit more easier whenever you're just doing your housework. Alright, so what else can you actually expect from the Dreame H13 Pro? Well, actually in terms of just vacuuming your hair on the ground. Now, I'm sure if you live with people who has long hair or who drops a lot of hair, you might find it a bit of a hassle to just actually vacuum them up because some vacuum cleaners, they always tangle up with your rollers and then things get stuck and then you won't be able to proceed cleaning your ground. So with the Dreame H13 Pro, it actually has a new mechanism where it's actually able to ensure that you have a tangle-free experience. It is quite true because I do have quite a lot of long hair on the ground as well. I stay with someone who drops a bit of hair occasionally on the ground, so just vacuuming those up, I did not face any issues with tangles. Everything was very smooth and I think that is actually great. Now another thing that you might notice when cleaning the floors is that the suction power, because it's much higher now, so it's just going to be easier when you're just vacuuming your carpets, your floors. It's 18,000 PA by the way, so just to give you a bit of a reference point, but it's just going to be much more easier when you're vacuuming your stuff, especially like I said, carpets. Very useful. Now one final cool feature about the Dreame H13 Pro is of course the edge-to-edge cleaning, which is something that we saw on its predecessor. Now what this really means is that the brush itself is actually able to extend out to your corners on the wall. So if you're just cleaning along your walls themselves, like very close to the walls, very close to the edge, you will notice that the Dreame H13 Pro will still be able to suck up and clean all those dirt very easily. Right, now once you're done with all those cleaning, you might be wondering to yourself, now how do you clean the Dreame H13 Pro? Alright, so for this, again, Dreame has thought about it, and it's actually a very simple process. It involves a very little work from your end. Alright, so first and foremost, obviously you have to make sure that the vacuum itself is on the dock. Now once it is there, you actually press a button twice that is on the handle, and then you can actually start to watch the show. Now the show itself, which is the cleaning process, actually involves two stages. The first stage involves like hot water being used to actually clean the rollers themselves. The hot water makes sure that all kinds of bacteria and dirt can be washed off easily compared to just normal temperature water. Now once this process is done, it moves on to the second step, which is actually using hot air to actually dry the rollers. Now again, with all this hot water and hot air, you can make sure that less bacteria is there, you can remove stains even better, and you can also ensure that there is no smell remaining on your rollers itself. Dreame even has the TUV SUD certification that ensures that it has been tested and proven. So far, based on my use itself, I noticed that there was no smell remaining, and I find that the cleaning itself is actually very, very impressive. So yep, you have all those there happening for you. The only part where you actually need to involve getting yourself do some work is to remove the dirty water tank, throw away the dirty water, and clean the tank itself. So that's the only part where you're involved. Now in terms of the water that is being used, there's also one process going on, which is the electrolysis process, which makes sure that the water itself is 99.99% free from bacteria and germs. So just in case you're wondering about the water, it's also being cleaned in the system itself. Alright, so that's pretty much what I want to share with you about the Dreame H13 Pro. Again, if you are in the market looking for a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, you should definitely check out the Dreame H13 Pro because it's just able to do the job very, very well. Now the price itself is always changing, so I'll just put in a link down below if you want to find out more about that. But yeah, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. For all of you celebrating Chinese New Year, well, Xing Nian Kuai Le to you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Do take care and stay safe. Bye bye. By the way, why am I holding this mic? It's because the clip at the back is it's not that firm, so I have to hold the mic, just in case you're wondering. Bye bye.